We are making an apple stuffed coffee cake. See, it's a tongue twister. It's an apple stuffed coffee cake. You need all of this. Without further ado, let's get started.
You're not gonna put on one of those aprons?
Well, I didn't want to offend anybody, but we could introduce them if we like. I was talking to my best good friend, Tori Messia. Well, it's Maxwell now, she's married. Very, very artistic. She makes a lot of things. Speed it up, Bobby. Either I'm just trying to give her a plug. So I was telling her, I was like, do you remember my mom, like all the time? Like my mom would always, she'd stub her toe, she would say this phrase, and I'm not gonna wear it because I know some people that watch this will be very offended with the language, but my mom would be like, damn. So Tori made me an apron that says that phrase, and it quotes Nettie Boyd. Love you, Mom. Rest in peace up there, girl. Where your legacy lives on. All right. It's a cup of milk. So you need a half a teaspoon apple cider vinegar. I need a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Now, because it's my wet mixture and I'm gonna mess this all up, I do have to melt it. Look, the little big book for moms. The world is so full of a number of things. I'm sure we should all be as happy as kings. Big bubbles, small bubbles, round bubbles, long bubbles, bubbles you blow through a pipe, and bubbles you drag like a kite. All are possible with this easy to make bubble solution and blowers. Blow bubbles after the rain for long lasting bubbles. What the? Somebody pregnant? Woo. Yeah. You need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I'm gonna do 4 of these. Combine your wet mixture. It's not that hard because there's nothing in there to do, but just mix it up, you know? Mix it. I'm not kidding, the tequila's like, woo! Don't drink for a while. Take a few sips, you get all giddy. All right, you need 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. Now you need your 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Then you need some baking powder, which is a half a teaspoon. Bam! Tablespoon, sorry. Woo! A half a teaspoon of salt. There you go. Then you need 1 teaspoon. Oh, sorry, I did tablespoon. Have you ever done that? See, I'm talking too much, but have you ever done the cinnamon challenge?
Oh no, but are you gonna do it right now?
No, are you high? You're gonna fold in your wet mixture into your dry mixture. Oh, this smells delicious. Now you set that aside. So you need to take 2 apples of your choice. You should really use these, the juicy ones.
I keep it juicy.
Honeycrisp, that's what they are.
That's the one.
Yeah, they're Honeycrisp apples. That's what you have to use. So you just apples. You peel them, take out the core, and then you slice them very thin. Well, thin enough so that they bake, right? Sprinkle them with enough cinnamon to just make your heart melt. Look at that, look at that.
There you go.
It really smells like Thanksgiving weekend. Pam, Baker's Edition. Trying to get a sponsor. Dump your perfectly combined wet mixture into any pan of your choice. Now you take your little apples and you place them on top. This is part of the fun. And you keep it moving. All right, so for your streusel, you need to hydrate. Woo! You need a little bit of your flour, which is a half a cup, half a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of allspice. You need 1/3 cup of brown sugar. You need a little nutmeg, which is a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You mix it with your hands. Come on, streusel. You want little crumbles. So now you just take it and you put it on top. Okay, add as much as you like. I like this because of the mixture that's on top. Now you put this in the oven, 350 degrees for about 35 minutes. Bam, like that. Uh-oh, Jason.
What happened?
I forgot the pecans.
Oh, no.
That's like one of the, you need the crunch. Oh, I'm sorry, coffee cake. Okay, now you add your pecans. When your apple stuffed coffee cake comes out of the oven, this is the glaze, the coffee glaze that you're gonna pour on top of it. 1/3 cup of your powdered sugar. Then you need a tablespoon of coconut oil. You need also a tablespoon of coffee. Oh, That's delicious. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which I never measure because I'm like, if it's sweeter, great. And you just mix it all together. This is your coffee glaze. Now, excuse the presentation in this very basic looking bread pan. Time to make the little slats because I'm gonna drizzle the coffee glaze on top. I don't like it dry, okay? Now, it's time to drizzle your coffee glaze. Mix it up again.
How happy are you?
Damn, look at that mess. Let's get a good one. I want some of the pecans and the cake and the apple. I'm not gonna say anything about how great the cinnamon is, or how great the coffee cake is, or the crunch on the, For somebody who's not a baker, I'm knocking it out of the park. Is that how you baseball players do it? Another success, another great, amazing thing for the holidays, or any day. If you enjoyed yourself today, if you laughed a lot, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and I'm gonna see you in the next video, doing another fall November amazing treat that you can only get here at Bobby Boyd Living. So get into it. Until next time, love you guys, bye.